right, Nana. Toma. Don't spit that out. Toma. This is her new thing. When she decides she doesn't want something, she just starts spitting. Toma. Nana. Toma. You don't want it? You don't want it? No oatmeal today? No oatmeal? Oh really? You want steak and eggs? You're looking right at the camera. Do you know what Mommy's doing? Yes. Hey, we're not even supposed to have the TV on when we're eating. Hello? Hello? I'm not trying to feed you, I'm just trying to clean it off your mouth. Yeah? Tell Mommy something she doesn't already know. No, you can't have the camera. Nana. Nope, you don't get the camera. No, you don't get the camera, Mama. Yeah, that's for grown-ups. You don't get the camera just yet. No, no. You don't get the camera. Really? You're being very vocal this morning. You want to tell everybody something? Say mama. Say mama. Mama. There's under the bridge. See how excited she gets when they sing songs on Dora? Who is that, Nana? Is that the troll?
No one goes over my bridge unless you solve my riddle.
Nana. Mama. That's real pretty.
It's a toughie.
Nana. Hey. Mama. Mama. Oh, am I interrupting you? You got attitude. Attitude. Yeah, attitude. Who do you get attitude from? Your mommy or your daddy? You don't get the camera. Nana. 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 Mamita. Oh yeah? Looking at your hand?
So, how many loud things did you find?
Do you have something in your hand? No.
I can't hear you. 3.
Oh. Nana, can you say mama? That's not mama. Ooh, attitude. Attitude. Can you say mama? Mama. Mama. Oh, you're learning to clap.
The highest hill.
Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap.
Say, I guess that. There's the high
Mama.
hill, the higher hill, and the higher
Clap your hands.
hill. And look, the sun is still sleeping.
Clap, clap, clap.
And look,
Clap, clap, clap.
let's go.
What's that look on your face? No. Clap, clap. Oh, well, you don't get the camera. Too bad.
Those pigs are sleeping.
Mama. Come on, I gotta get you on the video camera saying mama. 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 Attitude check. Attitude check.
The pig
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Hey, why isn't the sun up?
Nana.
Where's the sun?
Mama.
We're on our way to wake up the sun right now. And then wait.
You don't get the camera. Mama.
Good luck. When I sweat there.
Mama.
Come on, Rooster. You can do it. Hurry. Vaya rápido.
Mamita.
We made it to the
Are you working on your bye?
hill. But
And hello?
top of the highest hill.
Aww.
You're ready to cock-a-doodle.
Are you getting sleepy? Mama.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Mama. Mama. Come on, you said it like 3 times right before my birthday and on my birthday. You haven't said it since.
What's this big machine?
Mama.
It measures how
Nana.
we get. If we're gonna wake up the sun,
Nana.
all the way to 10. We need to make lots and lots of noise.